I have to start a reflection. Whom I'm going to see. So, remember that I was in Tayog 1978. I taught in the DepEd 43 years. Because I was young when I was in the DepEd. I was only around 19. A fresh graduate and ideal. Ang kabatchmate kong graduate ko is Miriam Defensor. In 1994, I become a Master Teacher 1, but 3 beses bagsak sa ranking. Kasi mas mabibigat at mas magagaling. Pero at the end of my day, I was also a regional awardee in 1994. That's why I got the position of a head teacher because of my award. I do not know why. Basta sa seminar sa Canton, lahat ng mga matatanda akong gumagawa ng kanilang lesson plan. Outstanding. Pero yung aking lesson plan, bagsak. Kasi lahat ng utak ko napunta nun sa mga taong ginagawa ko ng lesson plan. At ako ang ginawa nilang critic kasi imaginative sometimes ako sa aking tuturo. Okay, that's only a remembrance of my life. But it's really true. Nagiging imaginative ako talaga. Hanggang ngayon. In 1994, I was your advisor. I was the curriculum in 1994. You were 48 or 58? I do not know. This was also the year of success. Kasi lumantad ang mga mathematician in the person of Pablo Macaray. Yes. I vision also a good debater in the person of Attorney Bernie June. Nakikita ko siya na magiging abogado siya. As a matter of fact, before I end my teaching in Tayo, I made Attorney my guest speaker in the graduation rites. Ang ganda ng kanyang speech sa mga anak. Sana andun kayo, no? Ito rin ang taon ng appreciation deserve sa mga pag-aaral ng mga graduates noon. Kayo ang malakas, nag-boom kayo in all areas. At nakikita ko rin na ang mga nanay ninyo masyadong malapitin sa akin. I do not know why. Gusto nila ako. But, the famous advisor and the famous performer of those times, I will remember Fair Rigor, Pablo Macaray, Bernie June. I know, I can remember Mimi sa Mapi. Siya ang nakabak ng home run. May 500 sa provincial meet. Si Romina ko, ma-remember ko yan. Of course, I will always remember you, doctors and nurses and all endeavor in life. I will always treasure you. Si Emma, sayang hindi kita naging department member na nag-retire ako nung pumasok na siya. Sana natikman mo rin ang aking style. Sayang. But then, I will all remember 11 sections in the 4th year. I will remember those. Sampaguita, Magnolia, Lily, Sinya, Tulip, Dahlia, Everlasting, Ilang-ilang, Rose, Gumamela, Hyacinth. 11 sections. But I was never been an advisor every part of my life. Last section palagi ako, ilang-ilang. Now, 30 years na pala. Ang dali ng panahon. Bakit noon hindi kayo magaganda? Kasi walang gamot, walang sabon noon. Ang sabon noon, Dove, mahal pa, Perla, at saka Tide ang sabon. Pero ngayon ang sabon nila, kuwan na. Ano kaya?
With collagen.
With collagen na. Pero nga, kaya sabi ni Mr. Miguel Conte, Tumangkad kayo, pumuti kayo, gumanda pa kayo. Kaya nakapasok kayo sa magagandang pwesto. Kasi kung di kayo magaganda, ay naku, hindi kayo makakapasok. Kasi personality is 14% in the ranking. Kaya pag hindi kayo maganda, hindi kayo makakapasok. Kaya keep on wearing and using beauty products. Diba? Alright, 30 years. Today, you are in front of me. I am standing in front of you. Cuddling your own records. You are now a doctor, you are now a lawyer, you are now an engineer, a nurse, and whatever course that you have today. You have accomplished a part of your life as one, and you stand today. You are now a master of your own universe. Now you have started the adventure of learning life itself. There are more to learn from your life. You are living under the pressure of truth and ideas, reality. You seek elegance. You look at yourself. You look so beautiful. Your dresses and your looks, nako, ang bibigat ninyo. You look so refined. You don't look young anymore. Mature and refined. And respectability. You are always given the honor. Being the CEO, doctor, attorney, madam, sir, manager, bossing. You talk. Okay, hindi na kayo karapal sa bunganga, no? You think and act quietly, gently, and act frankly when you are frankly set by your environment. With 20 years now, you are molded with technology, with challenges and views, platforms. You have established a meaningful life with a purpose that you have pursued as you grow older. You don't make your life meaningless. You have to grow. You have to go on. The value of life is a searcher. Who are you today? I am now a good attorney, a good doctor, a good mother, a good employee. You assert because you know what is right and what is wrong. You know what is helpful, and you know yourself, how you grow as you live on. As I look at you, your face is so beautiful and gentleman looking, but stand for, I perceive the fulfillment and contentment more than what is expected from you in your health, in your success, in your talents, and perhaps in all your goals, that you have dreams, possessions outward, success in your endeavor, publicity, you are well known in the community, luxury, you own your own car, you work in good offices, you receive your salaries. Good. All of these are now in your hands. However, life has not to end in this way. You should render an unusually great sacrifice of your life to others too. As I end, tingnan nyo, i-end ko na. Gusto pa nyo, habang ko pa? Ha? Kasi may magbabayad ng extension time ninyo dito. As I end my speech, I therefore charge you, all of you, look around and ask yourselves, what more can I give to others?
Asawa ni Kapta, ni MK.
Napukaw ako. What more can I give to others beginning of life. I want you to reach out. Reach out to your batchmate. Extend your hands to them. There are more to give out to less fortunate. Perhaps adopt a group of students in Tayug National High School. Establish a scholarship program. Frankly and financially, those who are in need and strong and desirous to study. Of course, this is also my dream. Successful graduates of Bus 94 plan a project led by you. All of you are successful today. Again, I would like to say thank you to all of you, to all coordinators, to all those who plan of this event. Not missing anyone. After 30 years, I'm still alive, mga anak, at age 75. Your teacher, your madam, and now your guest today. I will always treasure the moments extended, and I am very grateful and thanking all of you. You made me a part of your success. I am still, whatever I am, invited in every gatherings like this. I am proud to say, you are my crown. You are my jewels in my body and my heart. That my success, and I will always declare, that my success in life as a teacher depends on this philosophy. It is not, my success is not measured by riches, but how I touch your lives. I am nothing of riches could be measured, but I am successful because I make you of what you are today. Your madam, your teacher, your auntie, your grandmother at the same time. Thank you very much and congratulations.
A sound and well-articulated words of encouragement and wisdom for us all, ma'am. Thank you for continuously sharing and inspiring us all to become better in what we do in